So a viewer, my YouTube channel, asked me how you unload an approach. And the answer is, if you accidentally load the wrong one, what we want is the RNAV 18, and I've intentionally loaded it incorrectly to make my point here. What you're going to do, Garmin doesn't like to go away from things. You simply do what you want, and it'll change it. So here we have select approach a second time. We'll select this time RNAV 18 vectors and activate. And note that now that we've changed it, we've also need to change the PFD or the CDI back to FMS.
I came off the autopilot.
That's right, because I changed the CDI.
Yeah, no, I was just letting you know.
Okay.
Right-hand
All right.
approach.
So there's your glide path. Stick with it.
Yes, sir.
Eyes outside and fly manually. When it's time for gear and flaps, do them in that order.
Sir.
One eye outside, the other one on the panel, looking good. All right, so note that you're tad high.
Yep.
So you could use the D-bars or not.
Why is this doing this then?
Well, that's an excellent question. It wants you to go back to that deflected CDI.
Yep.
And you don't have an armed GP, so it's not going to follow the GP.
Yep.
So use it or lose it. Recommend you take off the flight director. This one here. And now just fly the raw data, which a 10-year-old could do with all this information. You have a path marker.
Sir.
Path marker goes on the threshold. The course needle stays centered, and you work your way back to the glide path.
Expect level 38.010 minutes after departure.
Is that a beautiful sight or what? Huh?
Squawk 1027.
All right, so don't keep catch and release. You're doing this left and then back. Just hold the rudder where you, don't hold the rudder, sorry, nudge the rudder to put the nose where you want it. See how you're dragging the wing down?
Yep.
All right, so that's a small thing, but it's making you work harder. So try to work on that. Speed looks good. You have full flaps, 3 green. The runway appears clear. Landing light is on. We have a clearance to land. Recommend we continue. Nicely done. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off.